Caitlin, I love you more each day. How lucky are we that from this day forward we get to join our lives, to grow our families, and to be partners together in life's great adventures. You are my best friend, my strength, and my support. You inspired me to grow, to challenge myself each and every day.
From this day forward, we finally get to join our lives, grow our family, and be partners in life's great adventure. You are my best friend, my everything, my forever and always. I am proud to call you my husband. I give you my hand, my love, the good, the bad, and the yet to come.
Today, you start your lives together, and you'll come through many twists and turns. You're going to have good days, and you'll have some bad days. But as long as you have each other, that's all you'll need.
In life, you're generally stuck with your assigned family, but in this case, I'm glad to be gaining a sister that I would choose in Caitlin. And Alex, I'm reminded of a time that he backed a little too close to a wall heater after a shower and had to be taken to the hospital. Apparently, I started singing Hot Crossed Buns to him too soon after the accident. But in this case, I know that he's done his due diligence and seems to have figured out much earlier something Mark Twain figured out late in life. He said that I see that I was mistaken about Eve in the beginning. It is better to live outside the garden with her than inside it without her.
My 8-year-old self was right that I needed a sister, and Caitlin is one of my favorite people in the whole world. Beautiful inside and out, and I'm so lucky to have her and so happy for her today. I'm just so happy for both of you to start your family and to be a part of our family.
I vow to be by your side so we never will have to face the world again alone. I'm proud to call you my wife. I give you my hand for the good, the bad, and the yet to come.